I think that this thing has been changed out one time before because of that. I feel clips, but we won't look at it right now. That's what we want to get to. And I can get to the whole thing and be able to knock this out. Gotta make sure that that's pulled over. Check the other side. Nothing. I got that done already. Yeah, we'll look at that wire, but not right now. The main thing is I'm up, I'm secure, I'm safe, sitting on the frame, bed, jack, all this is sitting on the frame, spare jack goes there. And I'm not gonna have to let the gas tank down. The only reason I'll do that is if I find something mysteriously that I don't like. Alright, such as foul play. There you go, she's up there. Oh man, there you go.